Hello my good friends, welcome back to another journal with me. I am really enjoying this jumper. This jumper is a old wardrobe find. Going through my wardrobe and being like, right, what am I going to get rid of? Because I've been doing a lot of decluttering at the moment. I've been doing a lot of sorting out, which just feels good for my soul. I love a good declutter and I have got a lot of crap. I've accumulated a lot of stuff over time. So I'm just being ruthless and I'm doing this thing where like I spend 30 to 60 minutes a day just clearing out one drawer or a set of drawers or whatever, or a box of stuff, and just kind of making my way through different parts of the house and just kind of chipping away at it because I've just got so much stuff. But this jumper did not make the charity shop bag, so I was like, cool, I'm actually going to wear that and it's nice and cozy. But anyway, enough about me. Let's get stuck into some prompts. We're going to have 3 prompts, 3.5 minutes for each prompt. And we are going to start with, how can I support myself better? How can I support myself better? Okay, this next one is a bit of a fun one. There's no internet for the day. What do you do? There's no internet for the day. What do you do? Okay, and the next one is, what parts of me do I need to celebrate? What parts of me do I need to celebrate? So I think for that last one as well, it'd be really interesting to add another prompt if you wanted to, which is like, how can you celebrate yourself more? Linking off the back of, however, I did a bit of a list. So linking off the back of what parts of me do I need to celebrate, and then how can you do that? So maybe one to carry on after this session. And something I wanted to share actually about the there's no internet for a day question, something that came up for me, and actually I'm going to propose to Matt, is doing 1 or 2 days a month completely phone free. Now I know we rely on our phones for so much, but whether that's we go out for the day and we leave them in the glove box, or you know, we switch them off or take them with us. Maybe we switch them off so we still have them in case of emergencies, in case we get stuck somewhere, because it will be probably sod's law that we decide to not take them and then, I don't know, we get a flat tire or something. But just having 1 or 2 days a month completely phone free, and I think that will be really nice. So I'm going to make that suggestion to him later today. Maybe we will plumb it in our calendars, and then we'll plan a day out, or maybe we just spend the day at home, but just without our phones. It's so easy to just sit, pick up your phone, be scrolling, you know, just be on your phone all the time, with not much purpose. And sometimes it's just a waste of time, right? So I am going to make that proposal to Matt and see. I'll let you know how it goes, right? I will let you know. But I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you found it useful, insightful. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you for next week's session.